Dinosaur bones are legendary, remnants of the titans that once ruled our planet. These ancient bones, buried for millions of years, are like puzzle pieces from a time when giants walked the earth. Each fossil unearthed is a direct link to a world long vanished, sparking our imagination and curiosity. We marvel at their skeletons in museums, standing in awe before their towering frames and massive jaws. But bones only tell part of the story, just the structure, not the soul, of these incredible creatures. To truly understand dinosaurs, we need more than skeletons. We need clues about their lives and behaviors. What did they eat? How did they grow? How did they care for their young? These are questions that bones alone can't answer. Fossilized eggs are among the rarest and most revealing of these clues. They offer a unique glimpse into the earliest moments of a dinosaur's life, moments that would otherwise be lost to time. Each egg is a time capsule, preserving the very beginning of a dinosaur's life. The delicate shells, sometimes still containing traces of embryos, hold secrets about development, growth, and even the environment in which these creatures lived. These fragile treasures reveal secrets bones never could: how dinosaurs reproduced, cared for their young, and built their nests. They show us the social side of dinosaurs, hinting at family groups and complex behaviors. The study of dinosaur eggs, or oology, has revolutionized our understanding. It's a field that combines detective work, patience, and a bit of luck, as each new discovery can change what we thought we knew. Once we imagined dinosaurs as cold, uncaring reptiles, abandoning their eggs to fate. This view painted them as primitive and unfeeling, more like monsters than living animals. But discoveries of carefully arranged nests show many were attentive parents, more like birds than reptiles. Some even brooded their eggs, protecting them from predators and the elements. Every new egg discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, sometimes challenging everything we thought we knew. Each fossilized egg is a new chapter in the story of life on Earth. Even the smallest fossils can rewrite history. A single egg, no bigger than a coin, can overturn decades of scientific assumptions. Recently, a spectacular find in China, a dinosaur egg so tiny, has forced us to reconsider the lives of some of the most famous dinosaurs. This discovery suggests that some species were much smaller than we ever imagined, and that their reproductive strategies were more diverse. This discovery reminds us that groundbreaking science often comes in the smallest packages. Sometimes, it's the tiniest fossils that have the biggest impact on our understanding. The story of dinosaur reproduction is still being written, one fossilized egg at a time. Each new find is a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of how these ancient animals lived, loved, and survived. Each new find opens new avenues of research and challenges old ideas. The more we discover, the more we realize how much there is left to learn. The link between dinosaurs and birds grows clearer with every egg unearthed. These connections help us see dinosaurs not as distant monsters, but as relatives of the creatures we see every day. Sometimes the most profound secrets are hidden in the most delicate fossils. It takes careful hands and sharp eyes to unlock their stories. Let's explore how one tiny egg is changing our view of the lost world, and what it can teach us about the incredible diversity and adaptability of dinosaurs. Guangzhou, China, a bustling modern city, its skyline dotted with cranes and new buildings, is a place where the present meets the distant past in surprising ways. Beneath the busy streets and rising towers, ancient secrets have been waiting to be uncovered for millions of years. The Heku Formation, a thick layer of rock beneath Guangzhou, dates back to the late Cretaceous period, a time when the world was ruled by bizarre and famous dinosaurs, and the land looked very different from today. Here, construction projects often reveal more than just soil and stone. Workers sometimes stumble upon fossils, remnants of a lost world hidden just below the surface. But in 2021, something truly extraordinary happened. While building a new middle school, workers uncovered a nest of 5 tiny, perfectly preserved dinosaur eggs, an astonishing and rare discovery. These eggs were smaller than any theropod dinosaur eggs ever found, each about the size of a large chicken egg, but noticeably more slender and delicate in appearance. Amazingly, the entire clutch could fit comfortably in the palm of a single hand, making them even more remarkable. Paleontologists quickly realized this was no ordinary find. The egg size and condition set them apart from anything previously discovered in the region. The egg's unusually small size left scientists puzzled and excited. What kind of dinosaur could possibly lay such tiny eggs? The mystery deepened as they studied the fossils. Guangzhou is famous for its oviraptorosaurs, a group of bird-like dinosaurs, but even the smallest known oviraptorosaur eggs are much larger than these. This clutch was about to challenge everything paleontologists thought they knew about dinosaur reproduction, forcing them to reconsider long-held beliefs. The discovery raised fascinating new questions about the diversity and evolution of dinosaurs at the very end of their reign, hinting at unknown species and unexpected behaviors. Sometimes the most remarkable fossils are found in the most unexpected places, reminding us that history can be hidden just beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered. Unique fossils get unique names, and every discovery tells its own story. These eggs were no exception, standing out from the rest due to their remarkable size and features. Scientists named them Miniolithus ganjoensis, literally, tiny stone egg from Ganjo. The name reflects both their small size and the region where they were found. Without an embryo inside, it's hard to know exactly which dinosaur laid them, but subtle clues point to a small oviraptorosaur, a bird-like dinosaur known for its unusual eggs. The eggshell's microscopic structure matches that of oviraptorosaurs, just on a much smaller scale, suggesting a close evolutionary relationship. This evidence hints at a previously unknown, pygmy-sized species, perhaps no bigger than a modern songbird, a truly astonishing find among dinosaur eggs. These eggs hint at a miniature dinosaur living in the shadows of giants, sharing the ancient landscape with much larger relatives. The discovery expands our view of dinosaur diversity, showing that not all were massive. Some were tiny, delicate, and easily overlooked. Miniolithus ganjoensis stands as the smallest dinosaur egg ever found, a record-breaking discovery that challenges our assumptions. It's a reminder that the fossil record still holds surprises, waiting to be uncovered by curious scientists. Each new species adds depth to our understanding of ancient life, revealing new branches on the dinosaur family tree. Even the tiniest fossils can have a giant impact on science, changing the way we think about evolution and extinction. The search for the parent continues, but the eggs alone have changed what we know, reminding us that every fossil, no matter how small, has a story to tell. Fossilized eggs guard their secrets well, but technology has changed the game. Instead of breaking them open, scientists now use high-resolution CT scans to see inside. This non-destructive method creates detailed 3D models, revealing the egg's internal structure. The scans of Miniolithus ganjoensis showed the eggshell's thickness and layering in stunning detail. No embryos were found, but the data was invaluable. Researchers could measure every aspect of the eggs, analyze shell porosity, and estimate the size of the mother. The original fossils remain intact for future study. CT scanning has become a virtual key, unlocking secrets without harm. Technology is revolutionizing paleontology, letting us study rare fossils like never before. The digital age is opening new windows into the lost world of dinosaurs. Analysis revealed just how unique Miniolithus ganjoensis is. With a volume of just 15 cubic centimeters and a weight of 17 grams, it's the smallest non-avian dinosaur egg ever found. The eggshell is exceptionally thin and highly porous, traits linked to buried nests in modern birds. This suggests the parent may have buried its eggs, relying on environmental heat for incubation. The egg's elongated asymmetrical shape is also bird-like, helping prevent rolling. Every detail points to sophisticated reproductive strategies in even the tiniest dinosaurs. The discovery shattered assumptions about dinosaur egg size and nesting behavior. Miniolithus shows that small dinosaurs had complex bird-like traits. The fossil paints a vivid picture of a miniature dinosaur's life. Sometimes the smallest fossils reveal the biggest surprises. Miniolithus ganjoensis is forcing scientists to rethink dinosaur reproduction. Until now, most evidence came from large species with large eggs. This tiny egg proves that miniature dinosaurs existed alongside giants, filling unique ecological roles. The high porosity and clutch arrangement suggest a mix of primitive and advanced nesting behaviors. The parent likely buried its eggs but arranged them carefully, combining reptilian and bird-like strategies. This find challenges the idea of a simple, linear evolution of reproductive traits. Dinosaur reproduction was far more varied and dynamic than we imagined. Some lineages experimented with size, clutch number, and nesting style. Miniolithus is a window into this hidden diversity. The discovery adds complexity to our understanding of dinosaur life. The world of the Cretaceous was richer and more intricate than we ever thought. The connection between dinosaurs and birds is undeniable. Birds are living dinosaurs. Fossils like Miniolithus ganjoensis show how bird-like traits evolved in non-avian dinosaurs. Its small, asymmetrical eggs are distinctly bird-like, while the nesting strategy is more reptilian. This mosaic of traits is exactly what we expect in a transitional group. The discovery helps trace the gradual evolution of bird reproduction from dinosaur ancestors. Key features, egg size, shape, and nesting were being experimented with long before true birds appeared. Miniolithus adds a crucial data point to this evolutionary story. The transition from dinosaur to bird was a step-by-step process, not a single leap. Each new fossil brings us closer to understanding this remarkable transformation. Miniolithus ganjoensis is a signpost for the future of paleontology. Even well-explored regions like Ganjo can yield groundbreaking finds. New technologies like CT scanning are revolutionizing fossil study, revealing details once thought impossible to see. Collaboration between workers, scientists, and technicians made this discovery possible. The search now turns to finding the tiny dinosaur that laid these eggs. Every new fossil, no matter how small, can change our understanding of the past. The golden age of discovery is far from over. The next big breakthrough might be hidden in the smallest fossil. In a world obsessed with giant dinosaurs, Miniolithus ganjoensis reminds us that small discoveries can have huge impacts. These tiny eggs reveal a hidden diversity in dinosaur ecosystems, showing that the Cretaceous world was filled with creatures of all sizes. They add richness and complexity to our picture of ancient life. Miniolithus bridges the evolutionary gap between dinosaurs and birds, showing that bird-like traits evolved gradually. The discovery proves that even the smallest fossils can challenge our biggest ideas. It's a testament to the power of curiosity, technology, and teamwork. Sometimes a chance find can rewrite history. In paleontology, size doesn't always matter. The smallest clues can lead to the biggest revelations. Miniolithus ganjoensis is proof that the tiniest fossils can tell the most profound stories.